Okay, I just wanted to show you, if I can see, I don't have my glasses on, how nice and fat our birdies are. Can you see them? Oh, there they are. And there's like dozens in the tree. This is the tree with all our condos. And there's like so many. See, they're having so much fun today.
They're mostly Section 8.
No, we have a Section 8 area. Hold on, I'll show you. Look at how nice and fat they are. There we go. Okay, now let's move over here to the Section 8 area. Over there. There's only a few living over there in that house. See it?
It's a fixer-upper, but it's got potential.
My husband said it's a fixer-upper, but it's got potential. Okay, now we're going to go back over here. I don't want to move too fast because I'll scare them. There is... I need my glasses. See, there's 3 right there. I know, but I messed up my phone and I can't turn it sideways. See, there's 3. 3 right there. And there's a couple in there hiding. Look at. They're having so much fun. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.